Hello, kids. This is the letter S. S says S, S, like sun, star, soap, snake, and spider. S says S, S, like sun. S says S, S, star. S says S, S, soap. S says S, S, like snake. And S says S, S, spider. This is the letter T. T says T, T, like 10, tiger, tree, train, and tomato. T says T, T, like 10. T says T, T, tiger. T says T, T, tree. T says T, T, train. And T says T, T, tomato. This is the letter U. U says like up, under, uncle, umbrella, and umpire. U says like up. U says under. U says uncle. U says umbrella. And U says like umpire. This is the letter V. V says V, V, like van, vase, violin, vulture, and vegetable. V says V, V, like van. V says V, V, vase. V says V, V, violin. V says V, V, vulture. And V says V, V, vegetable. This is the letter W. W says W, W, like web, water, watch, window, and watermelon. W says W, W, like web. W says W, W, water. W says W, W, watch. W says W, W, window. And W says W, W, watermelon. This is the letter X. X says X, X, like ox, box, fox, 6, and X-ray. X says X, X, like ox. X says X, X, box. X says X, X, fox. X says X, X, 6. And X says X, X, X-ray. This is the letter Y. Y says Y, Y, like yak, yo-yo, yellow, yogurt, and yam. Y says Y, Y, like yak. Y says Y, Y, yo-yo. Y says Y, Y, yellow. Y says Y, Y, yogurt. And Y says Y, Y, yam. This is the letter Z. Z says Z, Z, like zoo. Zebra, zero, zinnia, and zipper. Z says Z, Z, like zoo. Z says Z, Z, zebra. Z says Z, Z, zero. Z says Z, Z, zinnia. And Z says Z, Z, zipper. Great job, kids! See you in the next phonics video, only on Phonics Teach.